couple of hours. I've just been like doing some work, editing. I think I woke up at around 5:30, and I'm gonna get my day started. So I'm gonna quickly put my contacts in.
Stayed for too long and I woke up at your place again. And all this time we said this would end. Instead we completed that both of us needed more than a friend. Thought he'd be someone else, that he would take me away.
About 25 minutes to get ready, so I'm just taking my hair down because I don't want it to make like ugly kinks. So yeah, I'm basically going to do a very similar makeup look that I did in one of my most recent videos. So if you go to my Lancome video, I will link it down below. It's more or less the same makeup look, but I'll try and remember to link the products that I used today down below. But I'm just gonna do like a natural makeup look, like an everyday makeup look, because it is like a day event. So I'm going to, oh, I didn't even tell you, I'm going to an event today with Loreal, and yeah, so today is like a pretty emotional day for me. I'm not even gonna like try and hide it, but I'm gonna try and be positive about it and just enjoy it with Brain's mom. So L'Oreal is hosting like an event for like a bunch of content creators, and they, you know, asked us to invite like a mature woman or your mom or your gran to the event. So yeah, I obviously can't invite my mom because she's no longer with us, but I'm just gonna try and still enjoy the day, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna get ready and speed you guys through the whole process with me. Finish my makeup in a second. I need to decide what I'm gonna wear. So I've put out some workout clothes later. I'm gonna pack this in case the event finishes a little bit late, so I can just pop on my gym clothes and head straight to the gym. I want to wear these shoes. I haven't worn them yet. They are so cute, paired with my Levi's 501 wedgie fit jeans. And then I'm thinking of maybe doing like this little bralette. This is from La Senza, but it's really old, so I don't think you guys will be able to still find it online or in store. But I'm not sure if I should do the pink coat, or not coat, blazer, or the white. The event said like accents of nude or pink, So I don't know, let me see which one looks best. So I went with the white blazer. I didn't end up wearing the little bralette. I just felt like it was a little bit too risque because a lot of like mature women will be at the event, so I don't want to be like offensive or whatever. And I decided to like accessorize with blush, and this bag is from Perfectly Customized Daily. It just has my initials. So let us hit the road. Hold on, I forgot my car keys. Take 2.
Thought he'd be someone else, but it would take me a while.
Oh, it is so hot. Oh my goodness.
But right next to you now, I'm sleeping. No rhyme or reason to that. If this is what
I made it. Hi. Fine, thank you, Jessica.
Hi Jessica. How are you good? Thank you so much for coming.
love is, then it's worth the wait. Can't get enough of this. Thought of you as
Hi, I'll have the salmon fish cake and the lemon cheesecake. Cheesecake.
It happened again. I've stayed for too long and I woke up at your place again. If this is what love is, then it's worth the wait. Can't get enough of this. Thought of you as
I moved these because I kept like moving out. I kept moving out, so I'm sitting this side now.
This is what love is, then it's worth the wait. Can't get enough of this. Thought of you as
Do you know Jessica and I look at this childishness. We've known each other for 10 years now. Oh really? I actually told them by 1 day and 7 hours.
Okay, so I uploaded my video this morning, I edited it, and I have it ready to go. Everyone else is basically left. We're about to leave as well, but I just want to quickly post my video live. So I have everything ready. Okay, so my video is live. Heb je notification gekregen? Guys, just look at this girl. She literally like, she has a camera installed in my house and she stole my outfit. Come on. Who wore it better? Who wore it better? No! Girl, you must vlog your own vlog.
This way.
Don't come and try to steal footage from me.
They're breaking something here.
Pinky is trying to steal my footage because she's too lazy to vlog.
The vlogging life, huh?
Yeah. Vlogging Mama. Mama Motabella. My feet are so sore. early for the gym. It is just after 4 o'clock, but Brain is a little bit delayed at work, so he only left for work like a few minutes ago. So I thought I would just sit in the car and chat to you guys. It was such an amazing event today. I looked like across the room and I just saw everyone having a great time with their moms and like the special woman in their lives. Majority of the older women there were like moms of the content creators or the influencers, and it saddened me a little bit because I know my mom would have loved to go, but I had the best talk with Minky's mom. So you guys saw Minky like a couple of seconds ago or a couple of minutes ago. We literally dressed in the same outfit today. That just goes to show how much we are alike. Brian's calling me. Hello my boka. Ja. Ek is by die gym. Ja, ek gaan net gou ek praat net gou met my vlog. Hey, give me a hug. I love you. Okay, so we're gonna work out. I waited a little bit too long for Bren at the gym. There was some traffic, and we decided just to stop at the grocery store, get some ingredients for dinner, and make some dinner and work out at home. So we're gonna watch 13 Reasons Why and do a little home workout. I changed into my little sports bra and leggings, and we're gonna work out before dinner. So this is what we are having for dinner tonight. We just quickly picked up one of these pre-packaged farm style chicken soups from Pick n Pay. It's not the healthiest thing, but we didn't really want to cook and we had some leftover chicken, so it sounded like a very good idea, and I was craving a soup, so we're gonna have that with a little bit of this, well, not a little bit, a couple of slices of this low GI whole wheat brown bread, and yeah, I bulked it up with some veggies we had in the fridge and some extra chicken.
I've stayed for too long and I woke up at your place again. And all this time,
The only bad workout is the one that never happened, you guys. So I think I'm gonna sign off for the night. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I need my pajamas, and then I am going to shower and see you guys tomorrow. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a massive thumbs up, and then I'm gonna vlog again tomorrow. I really hope that you guys have been enjoying these like vlogs, and yeah, we are gonna shower, get into our PJs, work, have some dinner. I'm gonna catch up on some editing and like emails and admin that I missed today, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
we said this would end. Instead we completed that both of us needed more than a friend. Thought he'd be sad.